Hi, my name is Andy Sanchez, Inside Sales and Licensing Specialist at Team Venti. I'll be your presenter in today's demo. Today, we will be showing you the subscription Microsoft 365 Business Premium. This is a all-inclusive SKU that will increase the security of your Microsoft 365 environment. And I think as we go through the explanation here and you get the bigger picture of what this subscription includes, you will agree with me. So Microsoft 365, we're going to talk about a little bit at a high level just what Microsoft 365 is. It's a set of tools and solutions that were built for the cloud. So they're perfect for remote work. They give the users a place, a secure place to be able to collaborate, to chat, and work together. It gives you, the organization, enterprise level security control management over this environment. At a cost effective price point. It allows you to mix and match between subscriptions, allowing you to have more control over what it is that you're investing in, and therefore maybe choose to invest in other areas where security is needed. All right, so for the licensing, we start from the top and then we'll work our way down. For this, again, we're going to be focusing on business premium, so I'm just going to walk through the other subscriptions pretty quickly. The most basic is business basic. It provides the end user with only the cloud services, so an email for them to use, Teams for collaboration, for chats, meetings, SharePoint for sharing documents, pretty much the backbone of Teams, and also OneDrive for Business, which is more on a personal storage level. Business Standard, the subscription in the middle, is going to be Business Basic plus the Office applications, the desktop applications rather, the ones that you can download and install on your devices. So this is going to give you up to 5 PCs or laptops, 5 mobile phones, or 5 tablets. It's also important to mention that on the basic, you do get the Office mobile applications and the Office web apps, but not the desktop. And the Business Standard and Business Premium, you get them. You get the three, the bundle. So you get Office mobile, Office, the web apps, and then the desktop apps. Business Premium is going to basically be what we were just looking at, the Business Standard plus some additional security, which is what we're going to discuss and dive into today. Just to highlight some things here, Intune, which is for mobile device and mobile application management, Azure Information Protection, which allows for data loss prevention and information protection. Defender is for Office 365, the Office 365 version, or what used to be called Advanced Threat Protection. Basically adds an extra layer of protection to your 365 environment to scan links, to scan attachments, keep you safe from spoofing and phishing and those type of things. Conditional access, providing you, again, an extra layer of protection to gaining access to your 365 environment. And lastly, the Windows Desktop, virtual desktop experience, which facilitates providing access to your end users to company data. All right. All right, so we'll talk about Microsoft 365 Business Premium. and more specifically on how it differentiates right from the rest of the stack. Um, in the other two, which is business basic and business standard, you get the productivity suites. You get the email. You get Teams for collaboration, for team meetings. You have a way to chat internally and with externally if you enable those features, and you have a way to collaborate on the documents. You can co-author, share it within Teams itself or via the SharePoint or OneDrive for Business applications that you get access to. But additionally to this, you get some very important features with Business Premium. So you get the option uh, to protect your identity or your user's identity with multi-factor authentication. You can apply conditional access policies to further protect the access or yeah the access, what you're when you're giving access, who you're giving access to, and what you're giving them access to. Um, this is important when, for example, you have users that are logged in one location, and then all of a sudden that same user is trying to log in or access your company information from a different location. Those type of things can trigger, one of these policies and protect that whatever document or information that they're trying to access. Um, and you can safeguard the confidential business and customer data with Azure Information Protection, applying the classification and additional and optional security to be able to classify something, for example, as private or confidential, and immediately because of that label or that tag, applying a policy to prevent users from being able to share this externally outside of your organization, right? Just as an example. So it gives you many different tools to be able to protect your data. Um, and I kind of skipped over the middle one, but it also gives you protection over the devices, whether they are personal, bring your own devices type scenario, or whether they are being provided by the organization itself, and you have a little bit more control there. But in either environment, you have the tools necessary to be able to keep them safe with Business Premium. Please contact us for more information or to schedule a personalized presentation. Our team of certified experts provide 24/7 critical admin support with 30-minute SLA for most Microsoft solutions.